So good morning bang maitutunan? Good morning because it's already 3:37 a.m. It's already July 12th of July, and I'm still working. I'm still on my PC in front of my laptop with two screens, and good thing that we're not busy at work, so I have time to screen front of my camera. So, ayan, i-wear lang muna natin ang ating bagay ba? A better term to use, eye protection. So, this one, nabili natin siya sa EO because this last June, nag-promo sila. And good thing, I was being checked by an ophthalmologist na yung mata natin ay walang rank. Kasi lately, bago magpa-check, kasi yung mata natin is medyo malabo-labo. So, ang sabi ng ophthalmologist is maaaring puyat lang siya. So, I believe it's true because we are working night shift and probably hilo nga lang siya. No? So, when I started to wear this, when I'm working in front of the screen, so nabawasan yung pagkahilo-hilo. Medyo okay yung mga tulog ko, so okay yung paningin ko. And good thing that this is also photochromic, so whenever sunlight strikes, it will turn into a shade, another shade. Basta ganun. I'm not good at this, so ayan. We bought this for 2,800 pesos, so mura na siya. No, so at least we're protected. Sabi ko nga, before, I promised to myself na aalagaan ko ang mata ko. So, whenever I work, no, so kailangan malayo siya. No? Malayo yung screen sa akin. So, bakit ako sa so, ayan siya. Ganyan siya kalayo. So, itong table ko. So, I'll make sure malayo siya sa harapan. So, ngayon ko lang din yan, binuksan. Kasi nag-video ko. So, ayan. So, today, I'll go with the flow. Naisipan ko lang mag-vlog. Lakas ako magawa. Just to divert my attention. It's been a while. So, pala na rin akong hindi nag-vlog. I think it's about time because I'm not that busy. And just to share, you know, I'm happy that we're able to finish our schooling, you know, graduated na si ate, no? Tapos na tayo sa school. College life is over, so it's all about embracing the real life, no? Talaga makakapag-focus na tayo sa work. So talagang it's a release, no? Makakapag-focus na tayo sa isang pace lang because you know naman si Nina, very workaholic, so talagang we are giving our best to really, you know, give our best as a working student, because I'm a working student for almost 2 years. So I'm supporting myself, my education. I'm supporting my education, you know. So I'm so happy that we're able to finish college. So just to share, ang first ko pala is BSc English. So kalain nyo yun, BSc English pa. So I'm so happy that I'm able to get back on one of the things that I usually do before, although wala naman akong malaking followers, no? So I'm so happy doing this because it somehow it became an influence na din ng mga siguro sikat na vloggers. But you know, kapag balik-balikan mo kung saan ka masaya, diba? Siguro I will try this time. And I will just go with the flow, not pressure myself, because there's too much pressure on me right after I graduated. So I will do our best, and hopefully you get your support, no? So let's do this. So I'll just show you the things that I will do, no? Kung ano-ano na lang, siguro bahala na. Siguro I will figure out what will be my niche in this vlog. So samahan niyo lang ako. Let's figure it out. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you get to share this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Uy, diba? Talaga naman, namiss ko na yan. Namiss ko. Ano bang itatawag sa inyo? Kasi yung page ko sa FB page, ban to. So yun na lang. So bahala. So let's see what we're gonna do. Saan aabot ang pagbablog na ito. So where I'm reading emails. Good thing talagang wala masyadong ano ngayon. Emails na ito. Alam naman ako makakapag-vlog kung wala naman akong ginagawa, because I love my work and it's my pleasure to be in this company. So the company is really good. Anyway, I work as a virtual assistant, as a freelance. So my company is working with a client, a big client, a big company in the US. So actually, ang niche ko talaga when it comes to freelancing as a visual assistant is logistics. So ayun, I work as a virtual assistant under Koan. I don't know if okay to mention, but I will not mention my company, and my company is very good. If you want to know about my company, just click comments. Uy, click comments. Put your comments below. Put your comments below or in the comment box. So ayan. I'm working as my position title is Customer Accounts Manager, Customer Service Manager, CSM, Truckload. So I'm working on scheduling pickup and delivery appointments, accepting loads, creating loads. So if you know that, super saya, madali kapag experience ka. Pero kung wala naman, syempre sa una makakapa. But I think being in the logistics industry, I believe this is a thriving community that hindi pa talaga na-explore. Sabi ko nga parang this job is not really well explored, but this is really a thriving community where everyone or anyone can earn money, can earn a lot of money. So napakagandang niche nga. And mostly kasi mga niche mga VA ngayon are general virtual assistant, social media marketing, admin, ano pa ba? So super dami. So hindi ako nag-a-apply ako, hindi ako papasok sa mga ganong position because I don't have any experience. I only have a customer service experience. So nagamit ko din yun. And prior hopping on to this job or finding this job, meron na talaga akong job na experience na logistics related. So I'm happy that I was able to find this job, and nandito pa rin tayo. And just this 8th of July, we celebrated our 7th month, so we survived natin ng 6 months, and of course we receive an increase. So I'm very happy. I'll see you in the next thing to do. So let's check what we're gonna do. Hello guys, it's already 11:05 in the morning. It's still 12th of July 12. So ngayon, I'm having a hard time to sleep. Ilang araw na. Hindi lang talaga ako makatulog ng maayos. So samahan niyo ako mag-exercise today just to make our body parang gusto ko lang pagurin yung sarili ko to detoxify. Wow, detoxify. Talaga nga naman, akala mo naman talaga enthusiast pagdating sa sa pag-aalaga ng katawan. So, I think this is the struggle of being a night shift worker, no? Yung pagtatrabaho sa gabi. It's hard to balance everything. Things doesn't go the way we plan. It's talagang mapasabi ka na lang that some things wobble off the balance. Sino ka doon? So, yun. Just 30 minutes exercise. Magpagod tayo para naman mag-detoxify, magpawis. At mabawasan na din ang mga kinain dahil talaga naman hirap na naman tayo magpapayag. So, let's go! And yun nga guys, no, we're done. Sobra ang pawis ng person na to. Grabe ang person ko. So, we're done for a quick exercise. Pinagpawisan naman tayo, feel ko naman. So, papahinga lang tayo. At we're gonna grab some drink. Pampatulog lang siguro, no? So, hindi na tayo super nag-iinom. Pero, I think it's time for now to get some drink and para makatulog konti. We're done. Naligo na tayo. Before we go out, we make sure na maglalagay tayo ng sunblock. Bago ko maglagay ng sunblock, I put rosemary sa ating buhok to take care of our hair. So, medyo naglalagas ang ating mga buhok. So, this is a Shoku that I bought from TikTok. It's a biotin oil or rosemary, and it promotes stronger, thicker, and healthier hair, and reduces thinning hair and reduces hair loss. This one is formulated in Japan. Yan. May basa-basa pa tayo, no? And this is 30 ml. May muta pa ba ako? So, yan. So, usually sa unahan lang buhok ko lang siya nilalagay. Kasi, for the pananism na natin tayo dito. So, prevention is better than cure. Ayan. So, it has been found and research proved that rosemary is better when you want to grow your hair. Diba? So, yan lang. Ganyan lang. So, usually, unahan lang naman. So, let's see anong mangyayari. So, dati kasi ang hilig ko magpa-devil cut. Ayan, na-devil pa not. Yan naman, nalagay tayo ng sunblock. So, yung sunblock natin, matagal ko nang ginagamit ko. Hindi ako malakas gumamit ng sunblock kasi we're working from home at bihira tayo lumabas. Ginagamit ko lang to whenever I go outside. Siyempre, it's better na protected tayo. Di naman tayo kakinisan. So, ayan. Konti lang. So, what, this is OTW or O2 TWO. So, it's SPF 30. And 30 ml din siya. So, matagal na siya maubos ko. So, good thing hindi ako pinipimples dito. Hindi dumami yung pimples ko, no? Yan, dito lang siya. Ay! Yan, dyan lang sa baba kasi sa forehead lang kasi naglagay tayo ng rosemary. And hindi ako masyado nagsa-shampoo and conditioner sa mga part na yun kasi wanted to see a result. Pang third day ko pala ata gumagamit. So, I bought Hosoku for about parang 100 plus pesos ata. Tapos ito 100 plus din ata to. Yung OTW. O. Kulang ng O. And dating ginagamit kong sunscreen is yung YOU. It's a very good sunscreen. And una kong ginamit is itong Oxycure. Sobrang tagal ko na itong hindi nagamit. Parang nagamit ko na ito pang swimming. So, SPF 50 shot. Ganon din yung YOU, SPF 50. Ito talaga muta ako kung means. SPF 50 shot. Hindi ano dito. Magko-cover ng kung ano-ano. So, SPF 50 siya. So, the YOU is a well-recommended sunscreen for me. Naghanap lang talaga ako ng mas cheaper. Kasi ang gastos, diba? So, yun. Pero hindi naman ako malakas gumamit ng sunblock. Nabot nga to ng ilang months eh. So, pero I'll make sure na paglalabas ako, naka-sunblock ako. So, dapat liig din pala. Hanggang ko ba liig? So, let's go na. And we're gonna grab some drink. And we're back from outside. So, kabili na tayo ng and then pulutan. French fries. Up. Sakto pag may yelo. Cheers. Hello guys, so ito dumating na yung order ko sa TikTok. Buksan natin. So I'm very excited kasi mura lang naman to guys. Hindi naman tayo mamahaling tao. Basta lang naman tayo ma-enjoy. Ano to, hikaw? Wow, parang ang ganda ng packaging niya, no? Very shala. Parang sing-sing lang. Will you marry me? Walay, ang taray. Oh, pak. Ganda niya guys. Ayan, no? Snake, ganda yung box niya. Hi guys! Today I am planning to go out. Gusto ko lumabas ng bahay. Gusto ko lumanghap ng masarap na hangin to breathe some fresh air. I want to give myself a little reward for working hard. These past few days, I feel like a little burnout. Parang siguro dahil sa pagtitipid or tinitipid ko yung sarili ko, ayaw kong gumastos. You can say or you can think na kuripot ako. Yes, kuripot ako because wala magpo-provide para sa akin, para sa akin. So I need to save. I need to save more than spending a lot. No? So importante na to save din tayo ng money. Lalo na kung we are in a survival mode. Hindi ka naman thriving. So kailangan natin i-budget yung money that we have and halagahan yung kinikita natin. So, wag gastos ng gastos. Ako talaga, I'm a big advocate of spending less, saving more. Sa panahon ngayon, hindi na mabilis kitain ng pera. It's hard to earn money. Ang halaga ng 1,000 ngayon, parang 100 na lang. Or 20 na lang, na kapag binayarhan mo, mabilis na lang, no? So, I wanted to treat myself. I want to treat myself by going out, by sipping a coffee, or drinking coffee. And naisipan kong dalhin ito, magbasa-basa. It's a reviewer, no? So, I'm planning to take my examination, licensure examination for teachers next year. So, medyo matagal-tagal pa pero parang pastime na rin, no? Magbasa-basa kahit ako onte, at least may natatandaan or hindi makakalimutan yung mga past lessons. yeah, kung ikaw na napapanood ito, give yourself a little reward and have some fun sa money kinikita mo. And huwag pagdamutan ang sarili. So let's go, samahan niyo ako sa paglabas ko ngayon. Just doing things na normal kong ginagawa. So ayun po, and samahan niyo po ako. Ano to? Spaghetti bolognese. Tapos ito ham sandwich. Diba? Ang sarap. So, ang sarap. Bakit? Ma'am? Ma'am? Islam po. Edible ba ito? Ma'am? Tatanong ko na, is this even edible? Ito po. Edible ba? Tapos ito rin sa kabila meron. Ito. Hindi, huwag na. Kainin ko na lang. Ano sila mo? Oo, ano sila. Baka naman sumakit ang joke. And here we are. So, nandito na po ako sa aming bahay, sa aming munting bahay. And maraming salamat po sa pagsama nyo sa vlog na ito. And I really appreciate kasi pinanood mo hanggang dulo. Maraming salamat sa time mo for watching this vlog or watching this video. And
see you on the next vlog. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And you can also leave a comment in the comment box if you want to say something, or if you want to suggest something that I will make, or any suggestion, topic, or concept that you want me to do. So, ayun lang po. Maraming salamat. God bless you all and your family. Bye-bye!